Starting with a journey through the intricate world of management principles, this project dives into the realm of Dominos, examining its management strategies in correlation with Henri Fayol's famed 14 principles. A particular focus lies on the Scalar Chain principle, unraveling its significance within Dominos' operational framework. Imagine a world where every move, every decision, is a piece of a bigger puzzle. That's the essence of management. And when it comes to managing a giant like Domino's, it's more than just pizzas and deliveries. It's about the meticulous application of management principles. This project takes you on an explorative journey into the management dynamics of Domino's, analyzing how these principles play out in real-world scenarios. At its core, it delves into the division of work, a foundational principle articulated by Henri Fayol, and how it intertwines with Domino's operational structure. Henri Fayol's principles of management form the backbone of many successful enterprises, and we unravel these principles to understand their application in Domino's daily operations. From the division of work to Scalar Chain, each principle finds its place within Domino's management landscape. Let's zoom in on Scalar Chain, a crucial concept outlined by Fayol. In essence, it's about the hierarchy of authority and communication within an organization, and we explore how this chain functions within the Domino's framework. Moreover, we'll discuss the intricate details of these principles applied within Domino's specific locations like Dharwad, Dimapur, Nagercoil, and beyond. We'll understand how these principles manifest in the day-to-day functioning of each outlet. This project doesn't just scratch the surface. It dives deeper into the core of Domino's management, unraveling the threads that weave together its success story. With a focus on Fayol's principles, especially the Scalar Chain, we draw parallels between theory and practical application within Domino's functioning. Join us in this educational journey as we dissect the management strategies of Domino's through the lens of Henri Fayol's principles. From division of work to Scalar Chain, we'll explore how these timeless principles are the guiding light behind Domino's successful management model.